Have you ever wondered why these people that are promoting the Medicare PPO plans, the Advantage plans, always want to sell you a cancer plan? Doesn't it make you scratch your head a little bit and say, well, if this thing's so great, why do you think I need a cancer plan? Well, the answer may surprise you. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. Okay, there's an article I read recently, and I will link to it in the description below this video. There's an article by a CEO of a large cancer treatment center that says the reason why you'll never see a PPO plan talking about their cancer plan is because it's very thin. Their network of providers, of oncologists and hospitals is extremely thin. So if you need cancer treatment, you may not be able to go to the best places. You may have to settle for whatever they've got if you've got one of these PPO plans. Now, maybe you've never had cancer, and maybe you think cancer's not going to strike you. Well, I got news for you. Over half of the new cancers that are discovered, first-time diagnosis, are in people 65 and older. So if you've managed to sail through life already without having to have your life touched directly by cancer, well, you can thank your lucky stars, but that may not be the same going forward. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. You take care. Have a great day.